Pregnancy is a magical time in a woman's life, filled with excitement, anticipation, and wonder. It's a time when your body is going through incredible changes as you prepare to bring a new life into the world. Documenting your pregnancy is a wonderful way to capture these special moments and create lasting memories that you can look back on for years to come. There are many creative ways to document your pregnancy, from traditional methods, like taking photos and keeping a journal, to more modern approaches, like creating a pregnancy blog or using social media to share your journey with friends and family. No matter how you choose to document your pregnancy, the important thing is to find a method that works for you and helps you capture the unique experience of carrying a child. One of the most popular ways to document your pregnancy is through photography. Many women choose to have professional maternity photos taken to capture the beauty of their growing belly and the excitement of expecting a baby. These photos can be a wonderful way to remember this special time in your life and can be shared with friends and family or kept as a personal memento. In addition to professional photos, you can also take your own photos throughout your pregnancy to document the changes in your body and the growth of your baby. You can take weekly or monthly photos to track your progress, or simply take photos whenever you feel like capturing a special moment. These photos can be compiled into a pregnancy photo album or shared on social media to keep friends and family updated on your journey. Another popular way to document your pregnancy is through journaling. Keeping a pregnancy journal allows you to record your thoughts, feelings, and experiences throughout your pregnancy. You can write about your cravings, your emotions, your hopes and fears, and anything else that comes to mind. A pregnancy journal can be a wonderful keepsake to look back on and can help you process your feelings during this emotional time. If you're not a fan of writing, you can also consider starting a pregnancy blog. A blog allows you to share your pregnancy journey with a wider audience and can be a great way to connect with other expectant mothers. You can write about your experiences, share tips and advice, and even document your baby's growth and development. A pregnancy blog can be a fun and creative way to document your pregnancy and can be a great way to stay connected with friends and family. Social media is another popular way to document your pregnancy. Many women choose to share photos, updates, and milestones on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. You can create a dedicated hashtag for your pregnancy journey and encourage friends and family to follow along. Social media can be a great way to keep loved ones updated on your pregnancy and can be a fun way to connect with other expectant mothers. If you're looking for a more hands-on approach to documenting your pregnancy, you can consider creating a pregnancy scrapbook. A scrapbook allows you to combine photos, journal entries, ultrasound images, and other mementos into a beautiful keepsake that you can treasure for years to come. You can get creative with your scrapbook, adding stickers, embellishments, and other decorations to make it truly unique. For a more modern twist on the traditional pregnancy scrapbook, you can also consider creating a digital scrapbook or photo book. There are many online services that allow you to create custom photo books using your own photos and text. You can design a beautiful keepsake that captures all the special moments of your pregnancy and can be easily shared with friends and family. No matter how you choose to document your pregnancy, the important thing is to find a method that works for you and helps you capture the unique experience of carrying a child. Whether you choose to take photos, keep a journal, start a blog, or create a scrapbook, documenting your pregnancy is a wonderful way to create lasting memories that you can cherish for years to come. So get creative and start capturing the magic of this special time in your life.